Next up, the Gold Rapp H from the museum on Vondel. All you need to do is get yourself a museum key and head all the way to the southeast side of the map here, where the museum is. Across to the far east side here, we'll need to get inside on the first floor and upstairs. Heading across to the museum entrance, which is upstairs from here, you'll see a museum door. Coming in through the underground is probably the safest way of doing it, as nobody's really going to know that you're inside, other than shots being fired, and even so they'll need the key to get to you anyways. Also, not to mention the stairs are a great way to get rid of a riot shield, boys. Alright, so clearing out the first floor here, and of course all the reinforcements sent in after us, this place is pretty much clean. So from the first floor here, what we'll need to do is head upstairs to the second floor, using whatever staircase you're closest to, and on the top floor here, all we need to do is navigate across into section number 4, which is all the way on the northeast side here, and inside of here near these rocks on display, you should see, I think it's on this side, the golden gun here. Unfortunately, it's not here for me, so I'll need to come back in another run. Oh well. And hey, after about 16 runs, it's finally here in the museum. Great. So we'll pick it up, and this is the Gold Rapp H. This one seems to have an incredibly low spawn rate for some reason, but at least it's finally here. I've gone through about 4 of these keys, to be honest. Maybe I'm just super unlucky and not checking here in the games that it is here, but anyways, that's really about it for this quick video, so thank you all for watching. My name's BeTroubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.